Hey guys, I'm back with another Lego build from my channel, Noah Builds. And today we're doing a kind of a small one, I think. And it's a cement truck, as you see from the front of the box. It has these accessories as the shovel and the drill and the cement bricks. And so it's a 4+. I'm going to get it done very quick because I'm 8 years old. Okay, so I'm going to open the box. So we have a thing, this is apart from the cement bit thingy and another one. So we attach these two together. And this is the base of the car. The thing they are the basis of the build. And we have this bag of Lego which has the base of the car. And I think that you build the people in this one. And we have another one, which is, I think these are the accessories like the barrel and stuff like that. And we have the instructions of this thing. And now we're gonna do the usual trick. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So I'm building this for you guys to watch me. So let's get into it. Guys, I've done the build. I hope you enjoy watching me doing the building, and this is my interview of showing what things do. If you're new to the channel, I'm just saying that. So this spins, and you can also pull things out into here, like, and if you figure out how to get it onto there, it'll slide off into there. This girl is moving the wheelbarrow, this guy's drilling. You can actually get the sign which says not allowed to go there, here. And the car goes forwards, backwards, yeah, drives. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.